the clouds reaching for the sea from our place, and our voice keeps saying, "It's where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can call the distance. I'm on my way. Go to the distance, I'll be right there. Now I know that you embrace my pain, so that road may wander, it will lead me to you. Will be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I see you through, and I want to look back. I can go the distance and I stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope. Till I go that distance, and I try complete. Oh yeah, but I look beyond the glorious hardest part, where a hero stands his nature face high. Search the world, I'll face its harms, till I found my heroes will come with.